An ambulance carrying one patient and two attendants lost control and crashed into a toll booth in Udupi district. All the three were killed in the mishap. The driver was injured, the police said. A CCTV at the toll booth shows the horrific accident on a wet road. In the footage, some men who appear to be security guards and toll operators are seen screwing to remove three barricades from one of the lanes on seeing the ambulance approach. The footage shows one of the guards successfully removed the two barricades before the toll plaza, but the last barricade remains near the boom barrier, which a man manages to pull out, but only halfway. By then, the ambulance was almost at the toll plaza. Suddenly, the ambulance skids on the wet road and swerves towards the toll booth cabin.